Greeting everyone. In this video, like, we will fix if your Microsoft Excel is like crashing out, is not like freezing, and is not even like it is blocked. So first thing that you need to do is like right click here and then task manager, then search about Excel, and the task, select it, and then and task, then close the task manager, go for settings, then go for apps and select apps. And in my case, I'm using Microsoft like 2019 version, so I will search for Microsoft here till I find it what it is I'm using. In my case, this one, Official Professional Plus one. So in your case, like, search the one and the version that you are using of Microsoft Office in your computer. Then you will go to modify. After three dots here, modify. Modify, and then quick or online repair. I will go to the quick repair, then press repair, and that's it. You will have the Excel is fixed, it's not freezing anymore, and so on. Thanks for the watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you.